Mu, I. Mu. There are around 647 characters to be found under Mu. Mu means I, and Mu is a pictogram. There is only one form in Mu. Mu relates to seeing or watching, mainly on the left or bottom of the characters. Shui is to sleep. Shui is the left, Mu, I, and the right, Chui, to hang down. When you hang down your eyelids, you fall asleep. Mang means blind. The upper part, Wang, death, and the lower part, Mu, eye. Dead eyes relate to blindness. Rou, meat. Rou, there are around 674 characters to be found under Rou. Rou means meat. We can learn 2 Chinese characters in Rou. For the complete form Rou, there are 2 Ren inside. Ren means a person, and Ren has Rou, meat. For the left or bottom component, Rou, pay attention to the 2 strokes inside. They are slanted, not horizontal lines as Yue. Yue means moon and a pictogram. Yue is also a Chinese radical. Du is the belly. Du is the left, Rou, meat, and the right, Tu, earth. Wei is stomach. Wei is the top, Tian, fields, and the bottom, Rou, meat. Nü, woman or a female. Nü, there are around 681 characters to be found under Nü. Nü means woman or a female, and Nü is a pictogram. There is only one form in Nü. Nü mainly shows on the left and can also be on the bottom. Hun is marriage. The left part, skinnier Nü, woman, and the right part, Hun. Hun has many meanings. Nightfall, dizziness, or to faint. A quick way to memorize Hun marriage is when a woman falls in love, feels dizzy, wants to get married, and then the night falls. Qu is to take a wife. The upper part, Qu, is to take or pick. So Qu is to take a woman and make her a wife. Niao, bird. Niao, there are around 750 characters to be found under Niao. Niao means bird, and Niao is a pictogram. There's one form in Niao, and Niao shows on the left, right, or bottom. Ge means stove. Ge is the left part, He, together, and the right part, Niao, bird. Together birds are peaceful doves. Yin is falcon or eagle. The upper outside part, Yin, is a falcon, and in modern usage we add Niao, bird, with Yin.